Just like there's more than one way to skin a cat, there's also more than one way to cook bacon. Learn about the 3 ways to cook bacon and how to properly dispose of the leftover cooking oil waste in the oven. If you are cooking a large amount of bacon, cooking bacon in the oven is the easiest way to go. First, preheat the oven to 400. While the oven preheats, place some foil on a baking sheet. Then lay the bacon there. Depending on the thickness of the slices, bake for 15 to 20 minutes. While the slices bake, place some paper towels on a platter, and once the baking is done, use tongs to remove the slices so they can cool and allow the paper towels to absorb excess grease. On the stove. For this very traditional method, you will need a skillet and some tongs. First, place the bacon on a cool skillet and then turn the flame on a low to medium low. After a little while, you'll see how the bacon starts to release some fat. Let it cook some more. When it starts to curl, use the tongs to turn it over. Flip and turn as much as you need so it cooks evenly and until you achieve the crispiness you want. If you prefer a tender texture, cook for a shorter amount of time. In the microwave. If you are only cooking a few slices, this is the best choice for you. For this method, you will need about 6 paper towels and a microwave-safe plate. Start by placing 4 paper towels on a plate. Then place the slices you wish to cook in a single layer and cover them with 2 more paper towels. Microwave on high for 1 minute per slice, and once time is over, check to see if they're done. Once the slices are cooked, remove the paper towels so they don't stick. How to dispose cooking oil waste. Now that you are done eating, it's time to get rid of the greasy cooking oil waste. Remember to never pour it down the drain. Saturated fatty acids, like bacon grease, will solidify at room temperature and will clog your drain. Plus, when mixed with other chemicals, it creates a lot of problems for our sewer system. First of all, handle with care. If you drop any hot liquid on your skin, it can cause severe burns. It's always better to let the oil cool down for a few hours. Once it's cold, if there's only a small amount left, you can just soak it with a paper napkin with it and throw it in the trash. If there's more than a small amount and you are planning on reusing it or donating it, then pour it in a container. In order to avoid transferring food particles, strain it while you pour it in the container. A glass jar is an excellent vessel. Once you have your cooking oil waste in a container, consider donating it. When you donate it, your grease gets transformed into biodegradable fuel, which is great for the environment.